Welcome to Sumner School Business Immigration Basics. My name is Emily Sumner with Sumner Immigration, and today we're talking about the STEM OPT visa classification. This is part 2 regarding the employer's responsibilities and obligations. Hiring a foreign national student who is going to work on STEM OPT is a bit different from hiring a foreign national student who has the regular 12-month OPT. Some of the key differences are: first, the employer has to be enrolled in E-Verify in order to hire a foreign national student on STEM OPT. Second, the employer and the employee have to work together to come up with a formal training plan. This plan is documented on a specific form and then submitted to the student's university's designated school official, or DSO. On that form, the student and employer will have to outline things such as what the student's role is going to be, what their goals and objectives are, how their progress will be measured, and what employee within your organization is going to actually provide the supervision and training. The employer of a STEM OPT student has to pay the student. Unlike regular OPT can be unpaid, although make sure you're adhering to relevant employment laws. With STEM OPT, the student must be paid, and the student must be paid commensurate with similarly employed employees within your organization. The student must complete a self-evaluation once every 6 months that you as the employer will need to review and sign. There are some reporting obligations for the employer. For example, if there is a material change to the terms and conditions of the training plan, if there is a material change in the corporate structure, there may be an obligation to report that. Or if the student is not complying, if the employer knows that the student is not complying, they have to report that, again, to the designated school official. Finally, it is possible that you would receive a site visit, which is a friendly visit, hopefully, usually, from a USCIS officer who is part of the Fraud Detection and National Security Office. Their job is just to confirm that everything that the employer and student said that they would be doing is actually happening. So it's typically a straightforward process, but it is possible that an officer would pop by without a prior announcement to confirm that information. So those are the key details high-level details on the STEM OPT, specifically the employer's obligations and responsibilities. In our next video, which will come out the first Thursday of January, we will be beginning a video series on the H-1B visa classification, starting with a high-level overview. If you have questions, please let us know. Drop questions in the comments. Feel free to contact us at info@sumnerimmigration.com. Otherwise, until next time, I'm Emily Sumner with Sumner Immigration Law.